happened to us, Paul?
Ran out of fuel.
And how far to go?
5 Ks.
5 Ks to the roadhouse.
Yep.
Oh well, it's going again. Main thing.
Yep. Yeah, so today we're out here checking out Old Onslow, historic site. We've got a couple of mad old buildings here. Gonna go and have a bit of a look. No, it really looks like a different sort of carriage on. Looks similar to a carriage on anyway. It's a tree. We'll go and have a look at these old buildings. Yeah, so this one here must be the old jail. I don't know if you can see, but there's all broken glass at the top of the wall there, and then obviously bars. That tells me jailhouse. That's where the kids are going to go if they don't start behaving. Hey. Big hook here. Five people up to. Don't know if this is his toilet or what it exactly is. It's a bit weird. There'll be fire pits in there. This is the old water tank by the looks of it. Yep, the old water tank. No water in there, but yeah, so this is the old police, obviously headquarters with a jail over there. Different little rooms with the fires. Must have had to make all their own cement out here. You can see all the different types of rock. Pretty cool, really. Always got to be someone graffiti and stuff and wrecking it all.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Well, just after we filmed that footage back there, the river, looks like a big storm's coming through. I don't know if you can see all that dust cruising through. About to jump back in the car in a hurry. I think I kicked the stick, got up to the bloody end of the nail. A bit sore. Anyway, we're sort of heading out because if we get stuck on this road, we'll be maybe bogged if it starts pissing down rain. It over took us there before. Now it's that dusty. It's probably about 60 metres in front. We can barely see it through the dust. Oh, the dust has just eased up a bit there now. It looks pretty stormy here today. Well, there's sort of the wet season area up here, or the end of the wet season. Rightio, just doing up another ham, or this one's going to be a bacon and cheese damper. So we've already done the cheese into the damper. We're just cooking up a bit of bacon just to throw into the damper in a minute. And yeah, we're just cooking up the bacon now. Just a bit sticky to the pan, but we're trying to get it happening. Just going to a bit. And then yeah, we'll get him on. We'll show you once he's cooked. See how he tastes.
Yeah.
Rightio. Well, we've got the little damper here cooked up. Had a bit of a sample just to make sure he was pretty good. I think he's pretty good. We'll see what the kids can hear in a minute. But had a bit of a stuff up. If Rosie shows you the top of the camp oven, I bought this bag of what I thought was heat beads, but it turns out that they're charcoal. So I've had to improvise a bit to make this all cook up. Anyway, show them, Rosie. And show them that bag there, that white bag. Around the front. Charcoal.